Holy cow! This month's Allure Beauty Box weighs a ton. Hey everyone, I'm WYGO Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. So we have the June 2025 Allure Beauty Box, which used to cost $25 a month, and I want to say it went up to $29 a month. I pay 6 months at a time, so I haven't received any kind of notice, but I did hear somebody else talk about it. So keep that in mind. But you do get 6+ products. 3 are guaranteed to be full size, and lately, the past 6 months in a row, we've been able to select a shade of a product, and they've all been makeup products. In the past, Allure was kind of, well, it's still very heavy skincare, but we've been getting a lot more makeup lately. If you do decide to subscribe to this, I have a friend referral down in my description where you will save $5, $10, don't quote me. You'll save some money, and I, as a friend referring you, will get, I don't know, credit in their store. They did start doing add-ons, or not add-ons. Well, they have a shop. I think they do add-ons. Anyways, more and more they're trying to be like Ipsy, but you get way better brands in this box, in my opinion. All right, enough rambling. Let's get started. This first product is not super heavy, but heavier than most. What are you? All right, I'm feeling I'm going to use my little friend here. So this is from Maria NILA, and is a head and hair heal conditioner. Okay, of all the hair care products, shampoo and or conditioner are the best ones. I have short hair. I get cut frequently, so I don't need those heat protectants and all that fancy stuff. Let's see how much this retails for and if it's full size or not. No, okay, I was hoping that was it. So it retails for $36 for 350 ml. We got 100 ml, so about a third of the full size as our sample product. All right, next item. Ooh, what is this? We have, oh, I saw the word Sundays. I thought this is from Sundays Riley. No, it's Naked Sundays. Who's the brand? Is that the brand, Naked Sundays? I've never heard of that brand, if that's the case. So this is a Collagen Glow 100% mineral sunscreen, SPF 50. Ooh, 'tis the season for sunscreen. I love getting sunscreen in boxes. It does come safety sealed. I do have several SPFs going at the moment. So, yeah. That looks like it's going to be full size. Let's see if I can't find that price without spoiling myself. That's the one problem about the booklet. All right, so retail price is $34 for 50 ml. And this is 50 ml. All right. I'm liking the product so far. All right, next product. Okay, so this is very heavy. What are you? Okay, so this is from Truly, and it's called Vanilla Baby Luxury Body Oil. Oh, not one to use body oils, but ooh, that is fancy. So this is real glass. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera. This is all kind of pearlescent and milky. Okay, I am intrigued. All right, let's see what this retails for. $30 for 1.7 fluid ounces. Yes, so we got a full size. All right, I'm curious if it has a scent. All right, it comes with a little stopper. Can I get the stopper out? I think I smell something, but not too much. I'm just gonna take what was in that little stopper, get it on the back of my hand here. Let's see if we can see anything. Are you supposed to see? I'm assuming a body oil is to give you that kind of J-Lo glow. Do we see anything? My lights are really bright. I will leave a comment if I notice anything in editing. I struggle. Oh no, there it is. I smell it. Ooh, it smells really, really nice. What I was starting to say is I'm lazy. I barely can apply body lotion, and I'm not one to go out in the sun and show my limbs. So that product is probably fantastic. It's probably just wasted on me. All right, next item. Okay, yep. So we have the shampoo to go along with the conditioner. And let's see if it's the same price without spoiling. Did I even look up what the price was? Yeah. Okay, $36. Yeah. Oh, interesting though. The conditioner comes in 350 ml for the full size. Shampoo. No, I said that backwards. The shampoo is 350. The conditioner is 300. Both 30. Wow. So not even that big of a bottle. $36. That is some bougie, pricey shampoo. All right, next item is also very heavy. No wonder this box is so heavy. All right, so this is from Luna Nectar, and it's Neptune Hydrate and Blur Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Wow, just call it a serum. I don't know. Some things have so many names. Wow, that is beautiful. On camera, it's looking darker. In real life, it's like this purple. Let's see if I can make the lighting show you how gorgeous that is. Okay, very different than what I was expecting. How many ml? 30 ml. That's going to be full size, or should be. Most serums are 30 ml. Yep, 30 ml. $39. All right. Okay, what else do we got? Okay, yes. So this last product is the one we got to select our shade from. So this is from BUXOM, and it's the Power Line Plumping Lip Liner. I got mine in the shade Smooth Spice. Ooh, it's slightly, it's not super fat, but compared to other pencils, it's just a little bit fatter. And, oh, okay, so it has a brush on one end, and it scrolls up on the other end. Okay, so let's do a swatch. Oh, nice. Okay, so that's what she looks like. Let's see if it goes with my current lip look. It does. It probably will go on better underneath Gloss Bomb and a lip gloss. So I will put that aside because last month we didn't get enough for me to do a full video of try-ons. So let me combine that, and then we will have an extra video this month. All right, let me recap everything I got in the June 2025 Allure Beauty Box. Got the Head and Hair Heal Shampoo and Conditioner from NILA, the Vanilla Baby Luxury Body Oil from Truly, the Naked Sundays SPF 50 Mineral Sunscreen, the Luna Nectar Hydrate and Blur Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and the BUXOM Powerline Plumping Lip Liner. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, not my favorite box, but it's still a good box. Mainly it's not my favorite because, as I explained, I'm not into body oils. I'm not into hair care products, although shampoo and conditioner are products I will actually use. I do enjoy trying new SPF sunscreens, so that's good. I'm 58 years old, so I always appreciate getting skincare and serums in my boxes. And I need to start using lip liners more, so I'm excited to give this one a try. I'm going to list the MSRP total value. Not that MSRP value really matters, although sometimes it does. However, I like to point out like what you get versus what you spend. It's nice to see if we get anything north of $125. All right, now I want to hear from you. Do you subscribe to this box? If not, what did you think of my box? If you do get the box, what shade of that lip liner did you pick? I didn't feel it tingling, which is a good thing because I am a wuss when it comes to plumping lip products. So hopefully it's just called plumping, but it doesn't really do anything. Otherwise, no, I won't be able to use it. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.